I became a panda, and now I'm going to fight the man.
I need to get my secret weapon. I know. I'll transform myself into a taco. Yes, this is much better. Rolling on the road with this. Ow! Ugh, hit a head. That really hurts. And a bee. And that monkey won't be able to get me. Oh, here's my stop. Now only a couple more steps until I get to my secret weapon. And it's not that wand. It's not that one. I still have it, but it's not my secret weapon. That man is so not nice. What's that up there?
Hey, I'm going to fight you.
You're a giant panda! You're a giant panda! There's no way my powers are going to match the size of that